First Warn 5 weather, supported by Bert Ogden and Fiesta dealerships. And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Andrew Chung.
Hey everyone, good Sunday evening. We've had a warm day with high temperatures reaching the 90s. We did get in the triple digits again in McAllen and the Upper Valley. But over the next couple of days, it's going to be a little bit cooler as highs will be back in the lower 90s thanks to some better rain chances. We've seen a few showers west of New Falcon. We may have a spotty shower toward the coast overnight. Otherwise, it's dry tonight. But the rain chances come back for tomorrow. Temperatures right now are in the lower 80s in Edinburgh and Westlaco, 85 in McAllen, 80 in Harlingen, and 84 degrees in Brownsville. So here's your Labor Day forecast. We're not calling for a washout, but there is a 40% chance of some scattered showers and thunderstorms, especially for the afternoon and evening. So keep the rain gear handy if you have outdoor plans. Your day planner forecast calls for temperatures in the upper 70s at 8 a.m., maybe a spotty shower. There is a possibility for a thunderstorm at noon and at 5 p.m. with temperatures right around 90, but our high temperature should top out in the mid-90s, maybe upper 90s out west. We take a look at the tropics. Of course, on the right-hand side of your screen is Category 5 Hurricane Dorian. Here's Florida, here's the Bahamas. But we're also watching this tropical disturbance, not related to Dorian, but this is in the Gulf of Mexico. And the Hurricane Center now gives us a 40% chance of development over the next 5 days as it tracks toward the west-southwest. So this disturbance stands to give us a better chance for some rain here in the valley over the next couple of days. That means some cooler high temperatures for us. But here is Dorian, a scary-looking hurricane with a very well-defined eye. And the problem for our friends in the Bahamas is that it's moving very slowly to the west at 6 miles an hour. So they've had to endure Dorian's wrath today, and that unfortunately continues tonight and tomorrow because of the slow movement. Here are the latest numbers on Dorian. The winds have come down just a bit to 180 miles per hour, but it's still a Category 5 hurricane. It's moving to the west at 6 miles an hour. The eye is about 55 miles to the east of Freeport in Grand Bahama Island. And here's the official forecast track from the Hurricane Center. So Dorian is expected to move slowly to the west tonight and tomorrow, and then perhaps make a turn by late tomorrow toward the northwest. That's what people in Florida are counting on. So even though the forecast track potentially keeps the center of Dorian offshore, that doesn't mean the east coast of Florida won't see its effects. We're expecting some high winds, some strong winds, tropical storm force winds at the least, and heavy rain from time to time along the east coast of Florida for tomorrow, or rather for Tuesday into Wednesday, because of the slow movement. You can see how it moves almost parallel to the east coast of Florida. That is expected to move toward the northeast by Wednesday and Thursday. So that means people in Georgia and the Carolinas, as well as Virginia, should be watching Dorian very carefully this week. And then the forecast calls for Dorian to speed off to the northeast by the end of this week. Here are the spaghetti models. Some of the models, 2 of the models at least, skirt the coast of Florida. The rest keep Florida away from Dorian, at least the center away from the coast of Florida. You'll notice how some of the models take Dorian very close to the coast of the Carolinas, but moving it off to the northeast. Here's a radar. So here are the Bahamas. Here's Marsh Harbor. To your left is Freeport, Grand Bahama Island. So Dorian is weakened just a bit thanks to interaction with the land, but still a very well-defined and dangerous, a catastrophic Category 5 hurricane as it moves slowly toward the west. And then over to the west, tropical storm warning in effect for parts of South Florida from Deerfield Beach all the way to Jupiter Inlet, shown in the orange. And then a hurricane warning in effect from Jupiter Inlet all the way to the Brevard, Volusia County line, including the Kennedy Space Center, shown in the red. So again, we're still anticipating that turn eventually by Tuesday toward the northwest. Here's future track. So here's Dorian, and here's that tropical disturbance that is not related to Dorian, but this disturbance in the Gulf of Mexico will track westward, and for us that means a better chance for showers and thunderstorms in the valley, especially for Tuesday and for Wednesday, with some locally heavy rain possible. But our high temperatures at least are back in the lower 90s for Tuesday and for Wednesday. So we zoom in on future track. Watch out for some scattered showers and thunderstorms, especially tomorrow afternoon, maybe a bit quieter tomorrow night, but a better chance for some scattered showers and thunderstorms Tuesday night into Wednesday. 40% chance of rain tomorrow, Labor Day, followed by a 60% chance of showers and thunderstorms Tuesday and for Wednesday. Here's your First Warn 5 AccuWeather 7-day forecast. We're down to 76 tonight, 94 tomorrow, and then we're down to 92 on Tuesday, only 90 on Wednesday with a better chance of rain. That is your First Warn 5 forecast.